Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be our Christmas Day vlog, but I did record the cats a little bit a few days before and on Christmas Eve just because they are so adorable. I thought y'all would like to see them, especially that new gal, Cannoli. So we just walked in the door and there's Kiki, Cannoli, and Cookie, and they got a surprise package. Well, really Cannoli did, but we're not gonna tell the other two girls. But they got a surprise package in from Dina. Dina sent this for Cannoli as a little, you know, kitten shower gift since she's our newborn. But anyway, look, they're all gonna wanna play with this, but this is for Cannoli. Sorry, girls. Anyway, I'm gonna put this together and we're gonna see how her and the other girls react. All right, Cannoli is loving this. I have one more little piece to pop on there. Oh, Cannoli, you love it. You love it, Cannoli. Her so happy her got a new toy. Her got a new toy. Somebody is in big trouble. Somebody learned how to climb up and inside the tree. Cannoli, you're in big trouble. What are you doing? You're in big trouble. She's probably stuck. I probably need to check on that. But I had to show y'all because it was way too cute. Merry Christmas, Kiki. Merry Christmas, Kiki. Merry Christmas, Kiki. Merry Christmas, Cookie. It's Christmas time, Cookie. It's Christmas. So we went to my parents' house for Christmas to eat and exchange gifts and all that fun stuff. So there's going to be random shots of different people and different kids. Those are my siblings, my nieces and nephews, mom and dad, and of course Alan. So I'm just showing y'all some of the food. These are the 2 tres leche cakes my sister-in-law made. She also made everybody these little goodie boxes, which were absolutely delicious. And on this Christmas, we didn't have any like traditional ham or anything like that like we would normally have. We had fajitas and tamales and all the fixins, and it was so good. All right, Gracie is going to show us how she skateboards. She got a skateboard. Did you get that from Santa Claus? Mia, you bought her that?
No, Dad paid. I didn't know Dad was going to get it.
Oh.
Dad got it, and I didn't know he was going to.
All right, let's see.
Then I was going to get it.
There she goes. She's skateboarding.
YouTube video of that?
Uh-huh.
Can I do YouTube videos?
Yeah, do you want to be on my YouTube?
I want to be on YouTube. No.
You're going to be skateboarding on YouTube.
No, wait, YouTube. Here go.
Okay, wait. Hi, Alan.
Just listen to it.
Okay.
Listen.
Okay. Look at those pants she got on.
Can you take my purse off?
Yes, ma'am. I'll hold your purse. Wait, let me move your hair.
It's weak.
Oh my gosh. Keep going.
I can't do it. I'm small. You do it. She just got
So my brother and sister-in-law got me this super cute hoodie. They also got me that coffee cup that I showed earlier with the 3 cats on it, the crazy cat lady cup. But yeah, they got me this hoodie and it's so cute. It has like thumb holes. It has paws on like the wrist area. It's got this pouch in the front that actually comes out. It unzips and you can take it out so you can wash it, but I can put my kitten in there and she loves it in there. And then on the hood, like it has little kitten ears. It's just adorable.
Say hi. Hi. Alan.
All right, let's, hey. Bella. Bella, wow. Bella got lots of presents.
This year I've been neglected.
What did you say? This is the queen. My sister, the queen. What are you doing?
Got you this too.
Put it down.
Put it down. What'd you get, Colton?
This is heavy. Clothes or
You got clothes?
game. I'll leave that. Ooh, a mini fridge. Can I have the other gift card?
Can he have it?
So he's already got this, huh?
This game?
What's that?
They're going to
Whoa! So we just got home. I just wanted to do a quick little Christmas haul, show you some of the gifts we got. I'm gonna start over here with Allen's. Got some nice Puma socks, Apple gift card, new cologne, some body stuff. This stuff smells amazing, by the way. Some white tank top, some drawers under there I ain't gonna show. Got some tools, some gloves. And over here, I already showed this to y'all. It's the cat hoodie. And then my mom got me these outfits with these yoga pants, so like a baby blue tank top with the black pants. Look at the bottoms, these are so cute. Gray tank top with these pants. The bottoms of these are my favorite. They're like sheer, and then has that where you can see through. And then this t-shirt with these pants, really cool. They have pockets, and then the sheer back there as well. And we got some bath stuff, rose and lemon drop, a new blender. My mom also got me that cast iron skillet you guys seen already, and also a fire stick. And then my sister got me this new Victoria's Secret robe. It's so soft and it's white and pink striped. But yeah, that's our Christmas haul from like my mom and dad and my siblings. Yes, sir. Cookie. And Cannoli. And Kiki sitting on a garbage bag. Okay. Bye. Cannoli, where you going? Cannoli has been wild today. All right, so it's the next morning, the day after Christmas, and I don't know about you, but I am ready to take down all of the Christmas decorations. I'm kind of sick of seeing it all, and I'm ready for it to be over with. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So anyway, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a like and leave me some comments down below because I would love to hear from you. And I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.